Hello YouTube subscribers, it's your boy Da-viruz system here again, and today we are here to do the chiri chara chara, and you know how we do it. And today we are going to work on labels of Inilabs school management system. So I'm going to use my student form to do that. So I'll log into Inilabs school management system, and then we can use the student form to see how best to change the labels you have around the student form, and then to suit you as well. So I'll go to students, and then I'll go to add student, and then on add student form we can work on the labels that appears on your form. So now these are the labels we have. We have student, we have add student, we have name guardian, we have date of birth, gender, and so forth and so on. These are the labels that we are going to be working on. So the first thing we need to do is to find the location where we can edit these labels, and then we make the changes to them. So we are going to dig into our Inilabs school management system, and then we try to locate this area of Inilabs school management system changes. So I'm going to in school folder where I installed Inilabs school management system MVC, and today we are going to be looking at language, and then we'll go to language, and the language folder we are going to work on is English. So if I double click on English to open, then the particular language file that we are going to look for is student. So let's look for the student language file. So we look for student, and then we have student here somewhere around here. Yeah, I have student here now. So this is the student language file. So the first thing is what the panel title. The panel title is what I have here, student. So now instead of having it as student, we are going to make it student registration form. So I'll edit it as student registration form. Then we have student registration form. So we save it, and then we'll go back and refresh our page, and then we see that our label is now going to change from student to student registration form. So we have it as student registration form. Then we have add student here. Maybe let's see what we can also edit that one with. So we have add a student. No, they said the title is what, add student. Yeah. So add student, where can we find add student? Okay, so let's look at something else, and then we move from there. So we have email here. We can say email address. So I'll make the first letter block, and I save it, and then let's go back and refresh in Inilabs school management system, and then we have what, email address instead of what, email. So we have email address here too as well, and then we have phone number. Sorry, we have phone here. We can make it phone number. So we look for phone, and then we make it as phone number here, phone. So we have phone number as well. Then we have address, class, and so forth and so on. So let's save this, and then we proceed. So I'll load it, reload, and then it affects our phone as phone number too as well. So this is how to edit labels of Inilabs school management system to suit you. So go through them, take your time, edit them one after the other, and save them and refresh your form, and then you can see the effect on it. So if you like my tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to the Da-viruz system for more chiri chara chara on your way. So please stay tuned with the channel and don't lock your dial. Leave it open 24/7.